I hit a garage sale the other day and I absolutely scored a bunch of jackpots. Now you might be wondering, what are these? These are just DVDs. Do DVDs actually sell? Can you make money with DVDs? Well, honestly, the truth is, yes, you can, but most people will tell you they're outdated. Most people will tell you they're not worth money. And most people will tell you it's just not worth their time. I focus mostly on new DVDs, but I also do focus on used DVDs that are in specific pockets or niches. And here's an example of a bunch of DVDs that I actually found at a garage sale last weekend. And these are all WWE WrestleMania DVDs. You should be able to see that. And these are used, but what makes these unique is you can't really buy these in a store anymore. These are box sets, these are old. I don't know when these are from, maybe like the 2000s or I don't know. Actually, yeah, 2000 to 2004. So these are old. And as you guys know, there are specific niches that people just go crazy about, right? They collect and you know, they just are super raving fans, and you'd be shocked at how much these are selling for. These are all selling between $50 to $80 plus on Amazon FBA and eBay. Now on Amazon, for some reason, only half of them I could sell. Some of them I'm restricted on. They want me to get like wholesale invoices, but the other half I could sell. This is another one right here, but this is more of a lower end one. But this one I believe is like 50 to 100. The same with this one right here. I think this one's only like 15 bucks or so on eBay, but I got these all for $1 at a garage sale. So the lesson is, if you come across WWE, WrestleMania, stuff from the 90s, early 2000s, right? I don't know how far back it goes. I'm not an expert with this stuff. There is money to be made. Now, if you're not like sure how do you value a DVD, well, there's a couple tips. If you're selling on Amazon FBA, obviously scan the barcode with the Amazon seller app right there, and you can pull up the information. Also, another thing you could do is you could literally just go into your eBay app and you could scan the barcode to see how much it's going for. And I mean, this is crazy right here. Just take a look. This is my old phone, so bear with me, it's a little damaged, but you should be able to see. I don't know if you can see with the glare. I mean, these things are going for a lot of money. I mean, these might even be going for more than 100 bucks. It depends if those were the used or new listings. But be on the lookout for WWE, be on the lookout for the WrestleMania. Now, there are a lot of them that aren't gonna sell for a ton of money, so scan them with the Amazon seller app, look them up with the eBay app, study the sold listings, but do not miss out on these, especially the box set ones. You know, I had a whole bunch more in the other room. Royal Rumble, WWE stuff from the 2000s. I mean, that is money in the bank. So hopefully you guys learned something in this video, and if you ever come across these types of items, pick them up, flip them. That's the purpose of this channel, to teach you about the different items to be on the lookout for. And all it takes is one tip to absolutely change your bank account in just a day or two. I mean, you ain't gonna make millions, but I mean, I probably added $500 to my net worth just going to this garage sale, which is fantastic. Of course, you know, it's money in the bank. I gotta go out and actually sell it. You know, so many people like to count their profits before they flip them, but hopefully you guys understand, you know, I do have to sell them, but there's a market for this stuff. It's rare, it's collectible. I know for a fact these items are gonna sell. So if you come across them, make sure you pick them up, flip them, and make that money. If you guys wanna learn more about what to buy and sell on eBay, on Amazon, how to build a reselling business, check out the Reseller Sourcing Handbook. This is a product I created that teaches you about all the different types of items you could be on the lookout for, just like this, to flip and grow your business. With that being said, much love. See you in the next one.